Hello everyone, welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. You know, we can't resist a Dollar Tree. I was actually out of several things, like always, and I got a bunch of random stuff, and I may be all over the place and a little bit scatterbrained in this video, but let's get started. So, Connor was with me, and of course, he navigated some of these food choices, and the poor little guy has been sick the second time since, well, actually a couple days before Christmas, basically. Today is January the 4th. Not entirely sure when you'll see this haul. So he does really love peanut butter crackers, so we picked up these. It's a 6-pack, 4 crackers in each little pack, so we got those. He loves flavored water packets, and I don't give them to him often because I do prefer him to drink plain water and milk. Anyway, so we picked up the Hawaiian Punch Berry Blue Typhoon to flavor our waters, basically. And we got a 6-pack of M&Ms, a 6-pack of the peanut butter M&Ms. He loves these. I love these for if you know, you give them as like a little treat or an incentive to something, you know. And they're just like a little snack bag. I love those. And I needed some mints, so I got some Lifesaver mints, and I love these. And I got some double mint gum, and I needed mints and gum for church and just to carry in my purse in general, so wanted to pick up those. Some boring house stuff. I did get 2 packages of the DollarTree toilet paper. I got some Good Sense handle bags. These are my favorite. I will continue to repurchase these. Now, as for dish soap and sponges and things like that, my cabinet is so stocked. I'm not going to be buying any unless I absolutely need it until we go through some stuff. I have a pack of AAA batteries, small purple, lilac, lavender scented bags. You get 50 in here. I love these for the bathroom and for Connor's little room. So yes, I got those. And I also, it's not going to be shown in the video because Connor was drinking it, is the Dollar Tree Pedialyte. Yes, so I got one of those, and that's in the refrigerator. Some great home finds. I've been on the hunt for this dish rack for I don't even know how long, and yes, I finally found one, and I don't know if I'm going to use it for a dish rack or something else. Another thing I was on the hunt for is the egg storage, and they had one of these, and I had to snatch that up. I was so excited for this. I needed another cookie pan. They're only $1, and I love these. I use them for craft pans for Connor as well. Play-Doh, kinetic sand, painting, you name it, whatever. We even painted pumpkins on one of them. And then I had to pick up 2 of the square cake pans. So here is 2 here. And Connor is having a Minecraft themed birthday party. So last year he had Lego themes, and I made the cake. And if I can remember, I will link those cake videos in the description box, as well as a slew of other Dollar Tree videos if you're interested. And I have, well, obviously I'm going to continue on, and I'm going to make his cake this year as well. So my plan is I'm going to make a 3 to 4 layer chocolate cake that is going to be a dirt block that resembles the Minecraft dirt block. And then I'm going to make a white cake and make it into a creeper. Yes, if you're familiar with Minecraft, you'll know what I'm talking about. Anyways, he loves Minecraft. Loves Minecraft. So, it was a no-brainer. I actually took him down the party aisle. He picked his theme out. So, yes, we're going to roll with it. His birthday is February the 24th, if anybody was wondering. And he's going to be 5. So, how exciting is that? Sad too, because my baby's getting so much bigger, so much closer to school. Golly. It's, oh man, Mama Bear is very sad and happy at the same time. But yes, I love these water bottles for Connor, and he has like a Minion one that is just, he is worn out. He loves it so very much, and of course, like most kids, they bite on the nozzle. So Yeah, he needed a new one. And it'd been a long time since I actually seen these type of water bottles in my Dollar Tree. And I like these because it snaps shut and he doesn't really spill it. They have PJ Masks, which he's pretty fond of. He watches the show. And, of course, he watches Paw Patrol, too. And I had to grab those up for Connor. I just love these. They hold almost a bottle, an entire bottle, 16 ounces of water. And I just love that. And it helps me keep a good track on how much water he's intaking every single day. And stuff like that. So, I don't know. I just really love those. Now, for Allie, Nanny had picked up Connor one of these a while back. And she just loves it. Like, and so did he. Like, he loved it. It makes like little phone sounds. And I think it's a bit, you know, a younger toy for really him. But just to pretend like he has a phone and it makes noise and stuff, he loves it. So, Allie loves it too so much, so I grabbed her one of those as well. In the party aisle, because as I stated, Connor's 5th birthday is coming up, and I needed to pick out some stuff for his party. Stuff and things. You get the reference? Stuff and things. I picked up this tablecloth, and I'm hoping this design goes all the way, all over the tablecloth, not just as a trim, because if it does go all the way, I'm using this as a backdrop. I thought this was really pretty. And then I got this happy birthday banner, and it's a Lego themed one, and I can't remember if they had this last year. He had Lego themed party, but I don't think they had a birthday banner like this. And yeah, so I got this because, you know, blocks, Minecraft all go together. He said we needed hats, so we got some hats. He also wanted this Ninja Turtle cup. I thought maybe play with that in the tub and or possibly start drinking out of it. Who knows? And I let him choose his candles. This cup out of the way. And he really liked these metallic blue ones. And it's perfect because it has a happy birthday with it as well. And we'll just stick that right into the cake I'm making him. I really love these metallic blue candles. So pretty. They have really cool stuff at the Dollar Tree. And while we were in the party aisle, I thought that I would go ahead and grab a couple bags. So these are really big. I can't get them all in the frame. But a Spider-Man bag. He loves superheroes. I wish they'd had a Batman bag. And they also had an Avengers bag. And he just, I think Hulk is his favorite from the Avengers. Seriously, he loves him. But you cannot beat their bags, cards, any kind of party related stuff from the Dollar Tree. You can't beat it. And for his birthday, I swear he got so many toys and stuff for Christmas that I'm thinking I'm gonna get him Don't Wake Granny, the game, because he really likes like board games and stuff. And I'm gonna get him that. Pretty positive on that. I think I might get him a little Roblox thing. He was asking for the pizza set. It comes with like a little moped and like 2 characters. And I already bought him 2 shirts for his birthday, which you'll see those in a Walmart haul. And I got him 3 Halloween costumes that were marked down like 50%, 75%, something like that. Anyways, an Iron Man, Ant-Man, and a buff like Batman kind of suit, because he loves to dress up. So that, like, it was overkill at Christmas, you guys, and I know some of you probably can relate as well. So minimum toys, and I'm also going to get him a new pair of tennis shoes and probably an outfit also to add with the shirts and stuff he's already got, because spring's coming and I cannot wait to get out of winter and into a new season. I despise winter. Anyways, moving on. I did pick up 2 of these eye drops. This one's Pure Eyes, and it's like a little mini container, so I picked one up for my makeup table and one for John. And they're pocket sizes. And then I didn't even need this, but I just wanted to have it to put back in the cabinet. But it's from the brand Coralite, and it's a pain relief balm, and I've heard it's comparable to the like Tiger Balm, so I just wanted it. I wanted it to have put back for even, you know, if my nanny needs it or anything, my papaw, and they can have it. Just bought it to put it back. And I found 2 candles, the Mulberry and Fig Delight. These smell pretty good. I found others, but these 2 are my favorite. And honestly, I've been hauling so many candles lately. I don't need any more candles in this house. but I can't pass up a good scent. And this is cranberry chutney. I don't know, but I love the mason jar candles too. Make great gifts, so had to have those. I picked up some of this kids foaming bubble bath, the watermelon scent. Love this stuff. It's 20 fluid ounces. It actually works so well. Connor loves bubbles, and this just gets the job done. It's only $1. And 2 bath bombs for Connor because he loves bath bombs. You get 1 in here, but it's an Airheads watermelon scented bath bomb and a strawberry scented bath bomb. And I thought about doing a little bitty bag full of like bath time, like surprise stuff for him for his birthday, but I'm not entirely sure about that. I may do that, may not, but I'm leaning towards doing it, so I may put that in there and add some other because he was asking for the Play-Doh bath time, or no, the Crayola bath time slime stuff. I don't even know, but I thought about maybe putting together a bath bag for him. He loves the water. And now we're in the final home stretch here. I picked up this satin pillowcase by mistake, actually, from the DollarTree home collection. I actually thought this was right with the shower curtains, and of course they always are, but I grabbed it and I thought that it even said shower curtain. Oh my goodness, I love this so very much. I cannot wait to use this for a backdrop for my videos. And oh my goodness, if they had this in more things, I would DollarTree buy all of it. I love it. But anyways, I got into a new pillowcase. And I didn't really need a new brush. I just kind of wanted one of these like vent kind of brushes. It's an all-purpose brush, but you see it's got the airflow through there. I don't know, I just wanted one of those, and they had them in red and like a blue, so I grabbed the red. And then I usually have the tiny hair clips and clip them in the back of my hair to help hold the, you know, the hair that falls down from your ponytail or whatever. I typically wear my hair up. I do wear my hair down sometimes, or in a braid, but 9 times out of 10, honestly, it's just pulled up. I'm a mom, and I'm a stay-at-home mom at that, so I'm just always on the go. I'm always cleaning, picking up, doing things. It is naturally curly, and it's very heavy and thick, so just easy for me to have it pulled up. And last, so I grabbed these barrettes, and I got them in a black color, and I can hardly ever find the hair clips, so I just grabbed the barrettes this time, and I got them in black. They have like a lighter pack as well, but I think black will be more hidden in my hair color, and I'm a dark brunette, so, and almost black hair, so these are perfect for me. And yes, that's my DollarTree haul, you guys. I did find some wish list stuff, so I did do well, and I can't wait to go back. Like always, I love the DollarTree. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more DollarTree videos. If you're interested in any kind of reviews or anything like that, please let me know what product you'd like to see a review on. Like the video, subscribe, ring that bell so you don't miss any other upcoming DollarTree videos. Check the description box as always for additional DollarTree links. And thank you guys always for watching.